So you got yourself an Oculus Quest 2, and you wear glasses, and you have yourself some questions. Maybe the first question is, how do I put this thing on and off without catching my glasses? First trick I'm going to show you is when you go to put it on, what you're going to want to do is make sure that these bubbies are popped up. Then you hold it up to your face, you push it over your glasses, you pull the strap behind your head, then you bring these down. Then you bring it down all the way, you tighten it up, and they fit nice and tight. Take it back off. You slide this up. Slide these to this up. Take them off. Now, you may or may not notice that my glasses kind of tend to want to get caught in this. So the second tip I want to tell you is get yourself a pair of lenses. And what I mean by that is you'll see in there are these two things that are sticking out quite a bit. Those are lenses. They are prescription lenses. I will put a link to them in the description down below, which lets me do this. Take off my glasses, put it on. Makes it a little bit easier to put on because I can just swing them down, do this. All set. Good to go. No issues. Fits perfectly. Take it off. I can just slide it on and off and not have to worry about catching my glasses. Now, after I ordered these lenses, I had an eye doctor's appointment and found out that I have an astigmatism. So that means I'm going to have to order a new lens for the left eye because that one, the prescription has changed. And that's the only downside with this set is that both of them have to be the same or you're going to have to order two sets. But these sets are $40 and most sets are $80, $120 or more. So you can get basically two for the price of one. And the other thing with that is the way that these kind of click on, it's nice. They fit snug, but they're not too difficult to take off. Just take off the headpiece with the spacer. Grab a hold of the sides here on them. Pop them off. Put it back on. Line them up. This. Pop it back on. Put your spacer and your headpiece back in. And you're all set. If you have any questions or any other tips for those people who wear glasses, please put those in the description down below. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. See you in the next one.